Why Frogtape? So Frogtape does, it's a type of tape, it's a special tape that has a patent that no other tape in the world can do. And they got a polymer on the outside edge, this edge of the tape, that actually swells up, and tape does not, or paint or liquids doesn't bleed underneath the tape. So you can get really, really straight lines with Frogtape. So Frogtape, the yellow, the green, and the blue all have that polymer on the outside of the edge, and it looks like, you can see it's kind of a white dusty film on the outside of that edge, and it's absolutely amazing when it comes to masking and getting straight lines. But another thing, Frogtape, their production tape, this does not have the polymer on the outside edge of the tape. It's a production tape. This tape sticks better than any tape that I've ever used, and in most all circumstances. So it's a very versatile tape, great production tape, but their tapes in general all around are extremely effective tapes. They stick very well when used properly. So there's a delicate surface tape, there's just their all around tape. They got their blue production Frogtape that is packed in bulk packs, not in individual packs, and so it costs a little bit cheaper but has the same technology as these tapes. We use this once again on our floors and stuff, but they're tapes that the paper doesn't splinter, the adhesive doesn't dry on the surface when you pay attention to your release times, 3-day release, 21-day release, and you'll see on the container itself this is a 60-day release. So pay attention to those release times. So their tapes are extremely effective, work extremely well, and don't lead to frustrations of your tape splintering, sticking to the surface, leaving residues behind. Across the boards, their tapes perform better than any tapes I've ever used before. Absolutely, I love it. I probably use the green tape more than even the production tape that I use. But if you haven't tried Frogtape, you've got to try their tape. And once again, they do have a technology, that polymer on the outside of the tape, that no other manufacturer can do. So no matter what anybody says about getting straight lines, you're going to get straight lines with Frogtape like you won't get with any other tape.